They come through here, grab their equipment ready for practice, their uniform, whatever we have here, corresponds to their numbers, and they'll go straight through to the football court.
It is pretty bad. She's like bent over at her leg. That short one takes 5 hours. 5 hours. Got it?
Together, everybody right here. Is there before we walk in the locker room? Together, everybody here before we let everybody roam.
That kicker from Colorado.
All right, everybody, this is the Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson football players' locker room. This is a state-of-the-art locker room. It is designed such so that the head coach and the head coach can address everybody from the front of the room. Everybody can gather around and see everybody. It has audio-visual technologies, and it's state-of-the-art. We put the U on the ceiling, so people wouldn't have to walk on the U on the carpet when they came in, so we just elevated up and backlit it on the ceiling. So that's a great design in the building, and state-of-the-art locker room. That the exit to the practice fields is out there, so the players just go right out and they get right out in the green tree. So it's a state-of-the-art locker room. Feel free to walk around through here, and then on the other side is the players' lounge. Please go ahead on through and look at that as well. That's a complete state-of-the-art just lounge space with some nutritional stuff for our football student athletes as well.
We have branding throughout the locker room, messages from Ray Lewis, some of our other former student athletes. Emphasize road to the ACC championship, which is the goal every year, in the left-hand corner of the locker room. And then along the back wall, we have branding as well.
Another thing to mention, our former football student athletes have sponsored lockers, so you'll see locker plates in lockers that correspond with the former player who had that number or had that locker, depending who it is. So that was a fundraising initiative that we used for the project as well. Feel free to walk around.
Yeah, this is the Johnson football players lounge.
Well, if you guys want to feel free to walk around over to the players' lounge, you're more than welcome.
Feel free to walk, judge, sit in a chair.
I'm used to flying first class. I don't think I want to sit in those chairs.
We have 4 big screen TVs, 2 on each side. They can play video games, obviously watch Schwartz Center, all the audio visual equipment. They have a small kitchen in the back where they can have snacks in between class, in between practices, and then you can also access the practice fields out here as well.
So they're going to float something with microphones and around if they decide to.
We have a small sign right here.
Oh,
as
I
of
didn't
now.
see.
We do. We have recognition. Football players. Large scale, we're not sure about yet.